We're going to bury electronics. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Xiaomi Pad 7. So let's get started and open this box. Alright, as you can see, it is sealed up, brand new. We are putting the seal already. Right in here. Alright. Okay. Here is our tablet. Let's go ahead and open this. Here is our tablet, brand new. Right here is the tablet, and down here we have our accessories. Here is our menu. Okay. Our box contains our charger, should be in here. Okay. So here is our cable. Here is our adapter, about 45 watts adapter. Here is it. Put this back in here and put our cable back in. So that is all, guys, our menu and the charger. So let's go ahead and put on our tablet. So this tablet is 8 GB RAM, 256 GB storage. So yes, to put it on, all you need to do is look for your switch right here at the top and power this on like this. Alright, as you can see, the Xiaomi sign right here. So here is our tablet. To get started, what you need to do is press this arrow right here and choose yes, English, United States, next. Alright, choose your region. I'll be using this in Liberia. So yes, go all the way to here, Liberia, choose this. Okay, click on agree, press next. Sign up using another device. You can skip this for now. Okay, and click on accept. Screen lock. Okay. Alright, I will do this later. I will skip this for now. The basic setting, you can go ahead and click next. We will do this later. Okay. Alright, we'll leave it to default. Alright, gesture. Alright, we'll leave this for now. Alright, so that is all the setting you need to do. So now it is already preparing your system, so just give it a few seconds. Okay, setup complete. Alright, click continue. So that is all, guys. So now I will get head over to our setting. The screen is very sensitive, as you can see right here. The screen is very sensitive, so we'll head over to our setting and go to about tablet. As you can see, Xiaomi Pad 7, 256 GB. Okay, so that is it. Let me go to the storage right here, and we will also check up the battery. Okay. Alright, let's check the battery first. As you can see, the battery right here, we get about 57%. Battery protection. Alright, battery health 100%. It is a brand new tablet, so yes. Okay. Coming. Feature for this tablet, no. They head over to okay. So they head over to file manager here. Set, allow. Okay, permission. Okay, click allow, give it permission for everything, photo. Okay, allow or no permission denied, so let's head back. Okay, here is it. Here is our photo. Go to storage. As you can see right here, is the storage 256 gig occupy, 230 gig available. So the 256 gig is the storage of the tablet, the available storage is 230 gig. So yes, that is all. And let me check the camera so you can see for yourself. Okay, as you can see, the camera is very much indeed nice. Okay, let me show you my face and you see how clean the camera is. So yes, the camera is okay on back. Alright. So yes, you can use this with your case at either your work computer or as just your tablet. So yeah, that is all for today, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel to see more videos like this.